Are you tired of tangled hoses and messy storage? Meet the Giraffe Tools Grandfalls Retractable Pressure Washer Plus, the ultimate cleaning powerhouse that rewinds itself and gets the job done. Ready to see how this game-changing tool transforms your outdoor cleaning? This video is sponsored by Giraffe Tools. Let's get right into it. So first up, the box looks sleek and sturdy. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So the inside we have the main pressure washer unit, the hose reel, and all the accessories neatly packed, and it also comes with a manual. The pressure washer model that I'm using is P115-G30A, and it comes with a 30-meter replaceable pressure hose, which is in grime color. It also has a spray wand, the manual, a needle clean out tool, a trigger gun, and to fit the spray wand into the trigger gun, just rotate the coil until the two parts are completely locked. And it also comes with the lead-in hose, which connects the water inlet hose to the water inlet end of the pressure washer. It also has this metal foam pot, and in this bag you find the nozzle, this tube. It also comes with this hub pin, universal tap connector, and the spirit level, and the sub container. Under the back of the pressure washer, you'll find this wall fix base that you use to attach into the wall. And also the sub container goes over here. This pressure washer comes with these handles where it will be easy for you to lift it into the wall base once it's been attached to the wall. So here's the pressure washer. I've not attached it to the wall yet. I'm just going to show you some of the features. As I said, it comes with this water inlet where you need to attach into the pressure washer. And do make sure it's tightened by hand and you do not use tools such as wrench to tighten it, or this will damage the machine. As mentioned earlier, it comes with a 30-meter auto-retractable hose, which means you can set up the pressure washer in one area of your house and comfortably reach the other side. No more dragging or struggling, just easy, hassle-free cleaning wherever you need it. And once you're done cleaning, just let the retractable hose do its thing. It retracts smoothly and almost effortlessly without tangling or force. To connect the hose into the hose gown, you will need to press this bit, the golden bit. You need to press it up and then insert the hose and then push it down. And that's it. It's ready for use. Once that is done, then go ahead and screw the nozzle into the spray gun. Just screw as normal. And this is how the inside of the nozzle looks like. Then I went ahead and connected the tap connector into the tap just by screwing it. Then I attach the water inlet hose into the tap and your pressure washer is ready. So this is the area that I'm planning to clean. As you can see, it looks horrible. It just looks dirty. Then I went ahead and turned the tap on and the pressure washer. And now on to the fun bit of cleaning the area. The best thing about this pressure washer is it's built with power and convenience in mind. It delivers high performance cleaning to tackle any dirt, grime and stubborn stains with ease. The nozzle offers a multiple spray setting from 0 to 60 degrees, allowing you to adjust the water flow for any cleaning task, from gentle washing to powerful scrubbing. When it comes to this pressure washer, it's advisable not to work continuously for more than 1 hour to avoid the pump temperature to be too hot and cause the machinery not to work. And this is the results after cleaning this area. It looks nice and refreshed. This is the other area that I needed to clean, which looked dirty. You'll be surprised to know that this is not the original color of these slabs, as they're supposed to have a yellowish tone. Since it was about to rain, I didn't have to spend so much time on this area. I chose this section to show you how well the pressure washer performed. So here's the color of the slabs, as it looks much better than it was looking before. So yeah, I'm well pleased. So here's a quick look of the patio. It looks a bit better than the way it was looking before, and I might have to repeat this next summer. Once you're done with the cleaning, turn off the pressure washer and then turn off the water supply. And try and avoid to retract the hose while it's filled with water. What you need to do is press the handle first to release pressure and to drain the excess water, just like the way I'm doing here. After releasing the pressure, then you can go ahead and retract the pressure hose to the whole rail. To remove the hose from the pressure gun, go ahead and pull the gold thing upward and pull the hose downwards and it's out. And here is a soap container that comes with a pressure washer. Just attach the black thing to the soap and you're good to use it for washing your cars. And with a smart auto organization, everything stays tidy and within reach, saving you time and effort. Simplicity is the heart of this pressure washer. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's super easy to operate and delivers powerful results every time. Giraffe Tools Grandfalls, powerful, easy, and always ready when you are. Make cleaning effortless today. Click on the link below to get you on. Bye for now.